this wallpaper and smooth it out the wall. Make the wall ready for wallpaper. This is a peel and stick wallpaper, and what I do before I climb on the ladder, it's remove a little bit of the corner of the paper so I don't have to be fighting with the paper right there up the ladder. So I want to have it ready to remove the back of the paper. Wallpaper, most of the times, peel and stick, you have to overlap it and leave it like that. Some others doesn't, okay? So some others you have to cut right over the figure or the design. This one is not the case. This one you just leave it alone. You cannot remove the seam. Don't cut it, don't remove it, just leave it there. All right? Okay, this is my third sheet.